Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparking Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this online platform known as VizorTube. Have you been participating on this platform and earning on this platform and you don't know if this platform is actually a legitimate platform or a scam platform? In this video tutorial, I am going to be revealing to you guys every single thing you need to know about this platform in this review video. I always tell viewers, my followers, to always make research before joining any platform that claims to be money making, any application, any platform, and the rest of them. Before you join any of them, it is very important you make research before joining. That is my advice to my viewers always. So if you are on this platform, you are a participant of this platform, and you don't know if they are actually real or fake, in this very video I'll be revealing to you guys the real truth, every single thing you need to know about this platform without any compromise. Okay, but before proceed with this video guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Paki, aka Legit Boss. What I know on this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas on this my channel on daily basis. For you not to miss out any of my latest updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on the screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new videos like this. Okay? Then at the end of this video, if you're not in any of my WhatsApp group or Telegram group, I'll be leaving my Telegram group link in the comment section of this video. You can also join my Telegram group for more business updates, more money making ideas, and more money making tips on daily basis. So that is what I share there in my Telegram group. I'll be leaving the link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join us there. Okay? So in this video, I'll be talking about what is VizorTube all about and how does it work and how can one earn on this platform, and then is this platform legit or scam? Then how can one withdraw on this platform? All these things we are going to be looking into. Most importantly is the authenticity. Is it legit or scam? That is the main reason why I am making this video. But before I proceed with this video, I would love to lay a clear disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and informational purpose only, and not a financial advice, as a result may vary based on how you use VizorTube platform. Sparky Media does not guarantee you any result in this video, as a result may vary. Please do take note, I am not a financial advisor. This is my total disclaimer. So what is VizorTube all about? VizorTube is an online platform which claim that they are online money making platform where one can make money by watching videos, participating in daily tasks, inviting friends and family to join their platform with their own personalized link. That is what this platform claims to be. So how does it work? First of all, for you to start earning on the platform, you are required to be a registered or a member of the platform. So when you're a member of the platform has allowed you to start earning. They allow you to earn in various ways, like I've explained in the definition, through invitation, through daily task, and then the rest of them. So when you register on the platform, they might also give you a welcome bonus. So you can see the option of watch. So when you click on watch, they allow you to watch videos on daily basis. So they ask you to watch embedded YouTube video on the site. So when you watch the videos, they might allow you to accumulate points. So when you accumulate those points, or the SP point or the VI point, so they can allow you, according to them, they will allow you to withdraw the moment you have the minimum of $261. They've claimed that they will allow you to withdraw. So that's what the platform claims to be. Okay, so and now I have explained every single thing about this platform. This platform claims that they will allow you to make money when you register and watch videos and clear some levels. Now, is it legit or scam? That is the question. Now, recently, I saw a payment proof spread. People are flagging up and down on the social media platform, claiming that someone has withdrew $261 and the person was paid. So I decided to investigate if that payment proof is actually a real one or a dated one. And then, according to my investigation, proper investigation, after every single thing I did on the platform, I discovered that that payment proof was not real, that it was a dated, so that they can actually get people attention to join this platform. So that was what I found out on that payment proof. That payment proof, which people have been flagging around on social media, $261, is actually fake. Please do take note of that. I always tell people that whenever you come across anything that claims to be money making, always make research. I mean, what is the platform doing that they will generate such amount of money and then pay user $261 without the person doing anything, just for watching video? So these are the questions we are supposed to be asking ourselves. So is it legit or scam? Well, I am going to explain that in this very video. Is this platform legit? Is this scam? There is one thing you must understand on this platform. This platform here, known as VizorTube, does not ask anyone to deposit or invest any money. This is basically a free platform that claims that they will pay users when they watch videos, do tasks, and the rest of them. They don't ask for your money. So that is the actual truth. Now, is it legit or scam? Will they pay you? Like I tell people, it's not all about going to platform to perform tasks. After performing those tasks, will you get the money paid to your account? That is the question we all are supposed to be asking ourselves. And that's the reason why I'm always advising my viewers to always make research. Because when you don't make research, at the end of the day, you may end up wasting your time, your data, your revenue, everything on a particular site. But when you make research, it will help you make informed decision. Okay? So this platform known as VizorTube, at the time I was making this video, has not been confirmed legit yet. Number one thing you need to understand about this platform is that this platform does not have any means of generating revenue for the user, according to the investigation I have conducted on this platform. My name is Paki, aka Legit Boss. I have been into this online space for a very long time now, and whenever I come across any platform, before I make video to post it on my YouTube, I must be 100% sure with evidence before posting any video on my channel. So this platform here you are seeing on your screen, known as VizorTube, the payment proof which you saw is a detailed one. It is not real. Please do take note of that. So they are doing this thing to lure people, to waste people's time. Now let me tell you what this platform is doing. Let me expose the activities to you. This is what this platform does. Since they don't have any means of generating revenue for their user, they are using these people, they are using their visitors or their users as means of traffic to embedded YouTube videos. So after you have finished watching all these videos, they don't pay. The platform doesn't pay. And before they pay, they will ask you to watch video. They will ask you to invite. And then at the end of the day, after the whole struggle, everything, they still don't pay. Yes. So that's it. I have came across multiple platforms like this. Examples of the platform that has once appeared and folded away without paying people a dime are Freestar. I don't know if any of you watching this video have heard about Freestar, Money Easily, Easy Earn, and then there is another one they are calling MomoTube. I don't know if any of you watching this video can record this platform I just mentioned now. Then now the other one is DollarTube. Then the other one is what is it called again? I have forgotten that one. The same thing. At the end of the day, they will just tell people watch video. When people watch video finish, they will not pay them. That's the reason why I'm always telling my viewers, please, before you join any platform, it's very important. Make research. Use YouTube. Use Google. Search, is this thing legit? Verify the authenticity before joining, so that you will not end up wasting your data. So in conclusion, if you are a participant of this platform, I will not discourage you to join, or I will not encourage you to join, but this video is based on honest and transparency. So at the time I was making this video, no one has confirmed being paid on this platform. So for that reason, we cannot say that this platform is legit. So at the time I was making this video, according to my own experiences with a lot of platforms like this, they are all said to be wasting people's time, data. However, they don't ask for your money. They only waste your data, ask you to watch video. At the end of the day, they don't pay. So that's just the simple truth, according to my own experiences with this kind of platform. So that's why you are advised to always make research. So have you been earning on this platform, and what are your own experiences? Have you been paid? If you have been paid, you can also comment below, so you can share your own experiences in the comment section, so that other people will also get to understand more about this platform. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have another question, you can also comment below. And then if you're not in enough my WhatsApp group, Telegram group, my Telegram group link is in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join us there for more business tips, more money making updates on daily basis. Okay, don't forget there is love in sharing. A lot of people are still earning on this platform with hope they're going to make a lot of money without knowing that this platform is not actually what they are thinking. So you may help people with this review video so that they will get to know what they are into. Okay, and may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you. I remain Sparky.